Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Hope your preparations leading up to Christmas are going really well and you're getting some holiday time in the next week or two. I just thought I'd give you a few more Christmas words. So our New Zealand Christmas tree is the pōhutukawa. 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 Lots of people say pahutakawa, but it's actually pronounced pōhutukawa. Pōhutukawa. So we'll hopefully see lots of those in our holiday time, those beautiful New Zealand Christmas trees. This is the word for stocking. It's a transliteration, as you can see. Tōkena sounds like the word stocking. It's also the word for sock. So if you've got a Christmas stocking, you could call it a tōkena kirihimete. Tōkena kirihimete, a Christmas stocking. This is the word for the feast, the hākari, hākari. So your Christmas dinner, your Christmas feast, whether it's lunch or dinner, is a hākari kirihimete, hākari, or just hākari, the feast, hākari. And there's two words for gift or present. There's perehana, which is a transliteration of the word present, and koha, which you probably well know is the word for gift. So it's a koha is also the word for a gift that you're giving someone, or a perehana. So a perehana kirihimete is a Christmas present, and a koha kirihimete is a Christmas gift. And then we've got, this is the word, the equivalent of the word for Christmas carol. So this is literally the word for hymn, himene, so a Christmas hymn, himene, but it works for the word for Christmas carol. So if you're singing some Christmas carols, they would be himene kirihimete, himene. And the word for Santa Claus, which is also a transliteration, is hana, hana, and then kōkō. And kōkō has the macrons on it. Hana kōkō. So, Meri kirihimete, thanks for all your support this year, and I look forward to bringing you lots more videos in 2020. Ka kite, Meri kirihimete, me ngā mihi o te tauhou.